Binaural beats are a type of auditory illusion that has been used to help people relax, meditate, and improve their mental state. Essentially, binaural beats are two different frequencies played in each ear that create a synchronization in the brain. Binaural beats work by playing a different frequency in each ear, which is then combined in the brain to create a single frequency. When this happens, the brainwaves are synchronized and can create a state of relaxation or alertness, depending on the frequency being played. Binaural beats are often used for meditation and can help to improve focus and concentration. They have also been used to reduce anxiety and stress and help to improve mood. This is because the synchronization in the brain can lower the production of stress hormones such as cortisol and increase the production of calming neurotransmitters. Some people use binaural beats to enhance their creativity, productivity, memory retention, focus, or to help them sleep better. By synchronizing the brain, it can create a state of relaxation that can help people to be more creative or fall asleep faster. Binaural beats in the delta range, 1 to 4 Hz, have been associated with deep sleep and relaxation. Binaural beats in the theta range, 4 to 8 Hz, are linked to deep sleep, reduced anxiety, relaxation, as well as meditative and creative states. Binaural beats in the alpha frequencies, 8 to 13 Hz, are thought to encourage relaxation, promote positivity, and decrease anxiety. Binaural beats in the beta frequencies, 14 to 30 Hz, have been linked to increased concentration and alertness, problem solving, and improved memory. Binaural beats in the gamma frequencies, 40 Hz, were found to be helpful in enhancing training and learning, according to a 2020 study. However, it's important to note that not everyone will have the same experience with binaural beats. Some people may not notice any effect at all. Additionally, it's important to use binaural beats properly and not rely on them as a substitute for medical treatment or advice. Overall, binaural beats can be a useful tool for relaxation, meditation, and improving mental states. If you're interested in trying them out, the Stax English IELTS Master Course uses alpha, beta, and gamma binaural beats as part of their meditative memory boost training to help students relax, concentrate, and remember the vocabulary.